like we said, we're thankful they're cleaning up, but as you can see, they're going to be cleaning up all the way to back here. All right, so the city's out here, they're cleaning up. You can see the spot right in front of me off to our left that they are cleaning this week. And then after that, they'll be cleaning the other side where there are some tents. So we'll be working with people to move them back. And I know there are a lot of other community organizations that will be helping out as well. So very, very thankful the city's out here doing this cleaning up. And a lot of the people that are out here are helping as well, which is really nice to see that them cleaning up. Doing their part as they have been a lot. So even talking with the police, they've noticed that there's a lot of things that have been dumped out here, couches, chairs, big things that wouldn't be able to be brought over here. So, which is really unfortunate, but thankful that the city's doing this and get this all cleaned up. It's good to see. You guys can see Chief Huda in there, newly appointed chief of the Longview Police Department. He's back there with the gal who helped collect carts. So they're getting all the carts and bringing those up too. So it's really nice seeing the chief out there working just like the last chief. It's nice to see that culture.
Could enlist some help from the people back there to help get her parts for her.
Yep.
I tried a little bit, but I got a lot of parts.
Okay, we got it. Cool. All right, well, due to confidentiality, I'm going to cut the live feed here. As you heard, just some people that weren't really responding to police, so we're gonna go in here and start talking with them. All right, we went back there, got a bunch of carts and prepped some people, got more staff coming out to help out. Here you can see what one of our staff, our healthcare for homeless staff there, is doing, getting the carts and help empty them, and then they're gonna go back to the rightful owner. We just heard from the police that Safeway had been down to like 25 carts, so thankfully she's able to get those back. But you can see they're making good progress here, cleaning up. You can see all the carts that they have over there. So this will be phase one of, I believe, 3 or 4 phases of cleanup of the Alabama Street Camp. Are gonna bring some more gravel in here, make it so people can walk through. It's super muddy. Oop. Comes
So for right now, there's one all the way back there right here.
Just right there.
Yeah, but
I am filming right now, just so you know.
that's fine. All this stuff, I don't need to.
There's someone in there.
Yeah,
or there's
and
someone.
that one, yeah. I'm talking all this. Eventually,
Okay.
this will probably be the next. Probably this side to here, and then eventually they're going all the way back
All the way to the fence?
to the fence corner. That's
all
what
the way to the opening. Okay.
all the way back.
So this will be done in intervals like today, or this will be done in intervals over time?
Over time.
Over
we're gonna,
time,
Yeah,
couple-
it's not gonna be. We're gonna try to get, but we gotta.
I agree.
Yes.
You're not gonna finish it. I agree.
This is a health and humans. I've been here with the Dr. Krager,
It's a public health and
public health
yeah.
officer, and it's gotten, I would say, 10 times worse.
Yeah.
And even then, back then, he wanted to. So we gotta figure out.
Definitely a public health and safety concern. Like we said, we're thankful they're cleaning up, but as you can see, they're going to be cleaning up all the way to back here. All of this. All of this. And it's so muddy. So they're going to be doing it, cleaning to right here. That's where the fence line is. You can see that was all the front stuff that I walked through. And then here's the back where people are going to have to move that were up front. People have been dumping a bunch of stuff out here. We found out couches, mattresses. So you got to make sure. You can see, you can see the end is right there at that fence. It's completely packed. So the hardest part that I'm seeing out here is that there's no room for all the people that they're going to move from the front to the back, unfortunately. So it's going to be an interesting process over the next month while they're doing these cleanup phases. And again, they're trying to clean it up to right here, right where that fence is. So all the stuff in front here that you can see, they're wanting to move and clean up and I'm just saying, I don't know how they're gonna put people. Where's the room? There's, yeah, it'll be interesting.
There's actually a lot of space here.
Just cleaning up.
Yes, yes, that's why I'm, over in this area, there's a lot of...
Just garbage, stuff that needs to be taken down. Oh, good. We found out there's a little bit of room back there, just stuff that needs to be taken out and cleared out and organized. That's why the hosted encampment is so important. This would never be like this. There would be spots marked out. There would be people here being able to oversee and help individuals access the services that they need and the support that they need. Here's our hand washing station. We check most times when we're here. She says it's good. The water's still good. It's been stagnant before and just gross. So, but the city's been doing a good job keeping up on that recently, so that's nice. Again, if you're just joining us, this is where Alabama Street Camp. They're going to be cleaning up this place in phases here. The city, along with some service providers and volunteers. And here's the fence line that they want it cleaned up to, so they can add gravel and make sure there's an entranceway. But as you can see, it's going to be a while, and there's lots to do. I think I can push it with one hand. I'll take it. All right. It's so muddy and choppy through here that you can barely push stuff through. As you can see, I'm nice. Yeah. So it looks like they got a bigger excavator out here.
Hello? What is it? I'm not tired. I'm ready.
You can see they already cleared up a whole bunch here. This will be the next phase. This will be the next phase on this side here. All those tents of people, stuff. You can see I cleaned all that. So I'm glad they're getting everything cleaned up, picked up. Look at this. That was all full. Oh, man. All right, we'll update as we go along, but things are going smooth. Again, thankful for the city to be here cleaning up. Thankful for the Longview Police Department and the social services and our healthcare for homeless team that are out here helping, and all the other volunteers and community groups. It's been good. So, all right, thanks. See you guys.